Assalamualaikum dear students, this is your teacher Naeem Safdar from Orchard Grammar School. In this video you will learn elements of matrix, order of matrix and position of elements in a matrix. Elements means components of matrix, whatever present in the matrix. These are the components means elements of matrix. For example, in this matrix we have A, B, C, D. The elements of this matrix are A, B, C, D. In this matrix we have numbers 1 till 9. The elements of matrix B are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are the members of matrix. In this matrix we have 0 and 2. The members of this matrix are 0, 0, 0, 2, 2, 2. 0 and 2 are present in this matrix. In this matrix we have members x, y, z, t, 5, 6. These are the elements of this matrix. Elements means components, members of matrix. Next thing is order of matrix. Order means number of rows by number of columns. Row by column. This is a symbol of multiplication, but in case of order we read this symbol as by, row by column. This is not multiplication. In case of order we will not multiply row, multiply column. We will not multiply. This is just a symbol. For example, this matrix has 2 rows. First we will write 2 by. This matrix has 2 columns, 2 by 2. Order of this matrix is 2 by 2. Now what is the order of this matrix? For order, first write the rows, number of rows. How many rows are present in this matrix? There are 3 rows, horizontal lines. So we will write 3. Then by number of columns. There are 3 columns present in the matrix, 3 by 3. If we multiply 2 multiply by 2, we will get 4. What does 4 represents? 4 represents the number of elements present in the matrix. There are 4 members. There are 3 is 9. There are 9 members in the matrix. What is the order of this matrix? This matrix contains 2 rows by 2 columns. Sorry, 3 columns. So order of this matrix is 2 by 3. This matrix contains 3 rows by 2 columns. This is another matrix of order 2 by 2. This is another matrix of order 3 by 3. Now you can observe order of this matrix is 2 by 3 and the order of this matrix is 3 by 2. This is another type of matrix and this is other. Don't forget to write number of rows at the first place and then number of columns. मतलब ये मेरी बात का कि 2 by 3 is not equal to 3 by 2. In case of order you must have to write rows at the first place and then column at the second place. Okay students, what is the order of this matrix? 1, 2, 5, 6. Can you write the order of this matrix? Yes or not? Okay. This matrix contains 1 row and 4 columns. Order of this matrix is 1 by 4. What is the order of this matrix? A, B. This matrix contains 2 rows by only 1 column, 2 by 1. I hope you understood the concept of order of matrix. Next thing is position of elements in matrix. Position of elements. Students, let's suppose this is your class sitting arrangement. This is first row, second row, third row. This is first column, second column, third column. अगर मुझे यहाँ पर इस स्टूडेंट की पोजीशन ऑब्जर्व करनी है तो मैं कैसे ऑब्जर्व करूंगा? उसके लिए पोजीशन ऑफ एलिमेंट्स के लिए रूल है रॉ कॉमा कॉलम, रॉ एट द फर्स्ट सेम लाइक ऑर्डर, कॉलम एट द सेकेंड. सो पोजीशन ऑफ दिस एलिमेंट विल बी let's suppose this is matrix A. So we will write A in every box. This is the general way of locating the position. If this is matrix B, then we will write small b in every box. What is the position of this box? This is first observe row. This is second row, first row, second row, third row. This is second row, first write row and then write column. This is first column, second column, third column. So this is second column. Location is 2 2. So हम इसे लिखेंगे A22. A22 means second row, second column. बिल्कुल स्टार्ट से शुरू करते हैं. ये जो फर्स्ट बॉक्स है इसकी पोजीशन, इसकी लोकेशन क्या होगी? चूंकि ये रॉ पहले लिखनी है तो ये फर्स्ट रॉ है तो हम यहां पर 1 लिख देंगे 1, और इसके बाद ये फर्स्ट कॉलम है तो कॉलम का फर्स्ट आ जाएगा. अब आप आ जाइए नेक्स्ट, इस ए की लोकेशन क्या होगी? अब इसमें हम लिखेंगे ये फर्स्ट रॉ में है और कॉलम कौन सा है? सेकंड, और इसमें रॉ है फर्स्ट और कॉलम है थर्ड. अगर डिफिकल्ट लग रहा है तो इसका एक आसान तरीका ये कि आप पहले रॉ लिख दो. दिस इज फर्स्ट रॉ, फर्स्ट फर्स्ट फर्स्ट. दिस इज सेकंड रॉ, तो आप लिखो सेकंड सेकंड सेकंड. और दिस इज थर्ड रॉ, सो वी विल राइट 3 3 3. अब आप सेकंड कॉलम लिख दो. ये है कॉलम वाइज देखो तो फर्स्ट कॉलम, फर्स्ट कॉलम, फर्स्ट कॉलम, फर्स्ट कॉलम. अब ये सेकंड कॉलम है तो 2 2 और सेकंड प्लेस पे 2 आ जाएगा. अब कॉलम लिखना है आपको यहां पर. दिस इज थर्ड कॉलम, दिस इज थर्ड कॉलम, दिस इज थर्ड कॉलम. वी हैव एन अदर एग्जाम्पल. लेट्स सपोज वी हैव मैट्रिक्स B ऑफ ऑर्डर 2 by 2. B B B B. We have to write the location of each member, position of each member. So this is first row, so we will write 1. This is second row, we will write 2. This is first column, so we will write 1. This is second column, we will write 2. So this is the general way of position of elements. I hope you understood each and every concept related to matrix, elements, order and position. If you have any query, you may comment. Inshallah, we will reply you soon. Thank you.